हम जीत गए।
हम जीत गए। हाँ, हम सीधे गए।
चल भाई।
चला।
Okay, so I am going to stop here and let you know that right now I am somewhere near Amboli, and the left road goes to Amboli and the straight road goes to Goa as per the locals. And this road is not yet on the Google Maps, so I'm just trying to explore that and let's see what I get. So guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mayank Chauhan, and as you know that today I am on my way to Goa in this unexplored road. If you're curious to know how I ended up here, then I would like to tell you that I was planning to go to Goa from the original route, which is like from Amboli to Savantwadi, Savantwadi to Goa. But I took a left turn from Amboli to go to some Baba Falls. So the name was interesting. I saw the board of Baba Falls and I went to Baba Falls as well. I have created a separate video for that. You can just check that from the description box. It is also a very isolated waterfalls and it's a good waterfall. So I was just speaking to one of the locals there and he advised me that I can just take a straight road and go to Goa. The interesting part what I found is that I was not unable to find that road on the Google Maps. And the local told me that I can take my bike. It's a road which will eventually take me to Goa, but yes, it is not a proper road. It is a rough road, and you will get some ups and downs there. So I just thought to explore this road and just check out what it is going to offer me. And here I am. I think my Michelin tires are playing a very important role in handling this rough terrain. It is such an adventurous road, and I'm not able to find anybody around. It is so peaceful, and in between the nature, in between these beautiful trees, mountains, and this rough terrain, I'm really liking this place a lot. This road is really getting excited in every turn I'm taking. Just look at the nature around me, and I'm not having a single road. I'm just traveling and riding my bike in this broken road. Sometimes riding a bike in no roads is really fun, in between the natures, the silence, the sound of the birds around you. It is really blissful. I'm really glad I came to this road. I mean, such an interesting road. Adventurous, interesting, beautiful, peaceful, and no one is here. The best thing is this. I think if you really want to have some fun around with your bike, you can just use this road to go to Goa from Amboli. I have and I'm going to put the link in the description box of this place. But make sure when you're coming to this location, your bike is in a proper condition. You have fuel in your bike, and your both the tires are in a good conditions. And I would prefer tubeless tire here because it is hard to find people around, and if something happened to your tires, you will be in big trouble. So make sure you are all set to come here because I don't consider this is a normal road, but yes, a very very beautiful indeed. ऑफिस की थकान के बाद ऐसे सड़कों पे गाड़ी चला के मज़ा आ जाता है। शांति, जंगल और आप और आपकी गाड़ी। हाईवेज में जाके वो ट्रकों के बीच में चला के इतना ट्रैफिक में चला के आई एम जस्ट राइट नाउ कमिंग फ्रॉम कोल्हापुर and my Kolhapur to Amboli journey was eventually not that bad, but when I started this journey, it is a different experience, trust me. Okay, finally I have some roads now. It's looking like a tunnel in front of me right now. Landslide. Beautiful. The mountains look so beautiful in front of me. I'm just feeling like I'm just going in those mountains from this road. Okay, finally I found somebody. I think now I am somewhere close to some village actually, because I can see trees are cutting and I mean some human work happening here. So peaceful. So peaceful. I urge you guys to do once in your lifetime use this route to come to Goa from Amboli. And if you have any questions regarding this route, how I get in here and anything, just comment below. I'll definitely going to reply back with my answers. Thank you for watching this video, guys.